Yes, beta. Today we will start with the long question answers. Chapter 3 History in Gathering to Growing Food. Question 1 is list 3 ways in which the lives of farmers and herders would have been different from that of hunter gatherers. ਅਸੀਂ ਬੇਟਾ 3 ways ਦੱਸਣੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਫਾਰਮਰਸ ਤੇ ਹਰਡਰਸ ਨੂੰ. First, we can write the 3 ways which show that the lives of farmers and herders would have been different from that of hunter-gatherer are: number 1 is farmers and herders mostly lived a settled life, while as hunter-gatherers would always move from place to place in search of food. We already read it that farmers and herders live a settled life, but hunters and gatherers move from one place to another in search of food. Move means wander or travel from one place to another. Second point is farmers and herders mostly depend on agriculture and domestication of animals. Life of herders and farmers depend करदी सी बेटा एग्रीकल्चर और एनिमल्स दी डोमैस्टिकेशन दे उपर, while as hunter gatherers depended on hunting of wild animals and plants. ਜਿਹੜੇ hunter gatherers ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹ ਕਾਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ? ਵਾਈਲਡ ਐਨੀਮਲਸ ਤੇ ਪਲਾਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹ. Then third one is farmers and herders live in huts and pit houses. Farmers and herders ਸੀਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ pit houses ਤੇ huts ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ, while as hunter gatherers live in caves. ਉਹ caves ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ, as we already discussed this in the chapter also. Then question number 2, how do people become farmers? ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਸੀਗੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਉਹ farmers ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣ ਗਏ? Number 1, the climate of the world was changing. As I told you in the chapter that environment conditions are started changing, so were plants and animals that people used as food. और उन्होंने प्लांट्स ते एनिमल्स ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਲੋਕ ਸੀਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਫੂਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ. Men, women and children observed several things. They have noticed so many things. The places where edible plants were found, ਜਿੱਥੇ eaten plants found ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ. How seeds broke off stalks, ਜਿਹੜੇ seeds ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹ ਟੁੱਟ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ and fell on the ground ਤੇ ਗਿਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ. Then new plants sprouted from them. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਨਵੇਂ plants ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਉਹ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ, sprout ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ. Third one, then they began looking after plants. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ? ਉਹ plants ਦੀ ਦੇਖਭਾਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ from birds and animals ਤੋਂ, so that they could grow. ਉਹ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਗਰੋ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ, ਬਰਡਸ ਐਂਡ ਐਨੀਮਲਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਡੈਮੇਜ ਨਾ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ, ਐਂਡ ਦ ਸੀਡਸ ਕੁਡ ਰਾਈਪਨ, ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੀਡ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹ ਪੱਕ. Question 3 is make a list of all the animals mentioned in the table in your book. For each one describe what they may have been used for. Beta, we have to make a list of animals that is mentioned in your book, page number 25. For each of them we can describe their uses. Animals that are reared by the people, earliest people. ठीक है, answer 3 is animal. Then in second size we can write their uses. First sheep. Then sheep is used for milk, meat and wool. Second number goat, milk, meat. Dog for guarding the herd. Buffalo, it gives us milk. Ox for farm work, for plowing the fields. Then pig is used for meat. Then question number 4 is do you grow the cereals? You have listed in answer number 7. If yes, draw a chart to show the stages in growing them. If not, draw a chart to show how these cereals reach you from the farmers who grow them. Beta, we have do the question that write the names of the cereals you like. ठीक है, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ cereals ਦੇ name ਦੱਸੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ. अगर we are If our answer is yes, then you can draw a chart and show the stages how that cereals grow. Okay, if your answer is no, then you can draw another chart that shows that how cereals reach you from the farmer. Farmer to leke cereals ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਦੇ ਨੇ? Answer is no, I don't grow these cereals. My answer is in no. The cereals reach from the farmer through following process. ਕਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੀਜਰ ਨਾਲ, ਕਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਨਾਲ cereals ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪਹੁੰਚਦੇ ਨੇ? farmers ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋ ਕੇ first farmers grow, then it go to middleman, then middleman sell it to wholesalers, wholesalers sell it to retailers. ਜਿਹੜੇ shopkeepers ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੇਟਾ, wholesalers ਤੋਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਖਰੀਦ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ, then they sell to us, ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ shopkeepers ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਏ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ. that farmers grow cereals, that farmer grow, we buy that cereals from the shopkeepers. In this process things reach to us that is grown by the farmers. Cereals reach to us that is grown by the farmers.